time on my hand since you've been away, baby. I ain't got no plans, no, 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 no.
We gotta go more.
And the sound of the rain against my window pane, slowly, slowly driving me insane. I'm going down, I'm going down. You went around, baby.
Oh, yeah.
My whole world's upside down. Oh, I'd have to say goodbye. Look what you've done to me.
Come on in.
I can't stop the seas from falling from my I'm going down. Baby, come back to me. Whoa, my world's upside down. My world's upside down. Whole world's upside
Oh, yeah. We got more time.
Yes, sir. Player from the Himalayas. What your name is and where you from?
My name is Sofronio Vasquez, and I am from the Philippines.
I'm Italian, so I gotta say it this way. Sofronio.
Oh my God.
I'm a little worried. I'm from Oklahoma. I don't know if you're going to understand me or not. I could not hit my button fast enough. Your voice is like butter. It is so easy on the ears, but your soulfulness touched my heart. You've got the whole package. I won last year, so I'd kind of like to carry that victory on to this season, and I think you could do it.
Thank you, Reba.
Sofronio, that was a Grammy performance. It felt like somebody that knows that God gave him the gift, and they're just trying to get on this stage to show everybody. One thing that I feel like I would help you with, how do you find the music that is your identity through these songs on this show that you're not writing?
Because this dude can sing the phone book.
No, I know. I want a piece of you. I want to be inspired by you. So I would love to be your coach here on Team Gwen.
Thank you, Gwen.
I want to start by saying salamat, because the relationship I've had with the Philippines for so many years makes me love you even more. Your people are such a beautiful people. I can't even imagine how proud you're going to make them.
Yeah.
There's something that is so inherently beautiful about music for you. Dude, I got goosebumps. I'm emotional. I'm trying to swallow because I'm emotional.
Aww.
I want this relationship. It's going to get past whatever happens in this competition. I think you're going to help me win this competition. You're going to win.
Before y'all start crying and all that, let's get back to business. Let me take off my glasses so you can see what I'm saying.
Hey, getting serious here.
It's country, alternative, crooning. This here is soul. Your soul, your spirit, your coach, your step two. What to, what not to. How to get bigger, better. The teacher, the coach, the mentor. This is where you need to be. Team Snoop. Quit playing, man. I believe it was 1992, I was signed to a label called Death Row Records, right? And 2024, I own the record label Death Row Records. I basically scout for talent like yourself. I see it, put it on, make it do what it do. Get in where you fit in.
This is what this show was named after. It was named after you, the voice. So, ladies and gentlemen, please help me when I say, let's make some noise! Let's go! to the top. Let's do this.
Well, let me say this. At the end of the day ends. Come on home.
Obviously, you want to work with me, but who do you pick as your coach?
Who's it gonna be? I don't know.